Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful fully loaded 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with the AMS Vans Legacy 2 wheelchair conversion kit. Go ahead and get started. I'm going to show off the conversion kit first and show off how this door opens up. There are two key fobs that are equipped with this van, and one of the key fobs is for this Legacy 2 conversion kit, and you can actually remotely put down the ramp, open up the doors obviously, and this does have the kneeling feature, so this kneels down, fully adjusting, which is definitely nice. So it's easier to get the wheelchair in and out. Kind of back up there, show how low it gets. This van has just a little bit over 50,000 miles, and this is a second owner van, and the only reason why the owners are selling it, they are family friends of mine. They had a death in the family, and anyway, that's the only reason why they're selling it. The wheelchair, as far as I know, does not come with it, but if you are interested in the wheelchair, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. You can ask them about the wheelchair. I do know this wheelchair is about a $3,800 wheelchair. By Jazzy. See if I can show off that Jazzy logo there. This thing goes up, power, everything. This is probably going to be one of the nicest wheelchairs you're going to find. Okay. In this conversion kit, it's all a flush floor. Show off the tie downs, full tie downs. And again, it's fully loaded, all leather. All the leather, show off that leather stitching here if I can there. Beautiful leather interior. Tinted windows. Let's show off here. Cockpit while I've got a good view. Stereo is going to be Bluetooth. It's going to have all the good stuff, even backup camera. Back up here. Let's see if walk around. The body is in excellent condition. There's really no dinks, nothing. I think if a dealer was going to take this in on trade, they would probably rate it 1 through 10, 10 being the best. Definitely, I would think a 9 or a 10. It's beautiful. Alloy wheels. All the tires are in excellent condition. I'm not sure what the age is on the tires. They look new. Kind of pan down the side here. This is equipped with the 3.6 liter. The flex fuel setup, and this is the SXT. Again, backup camera. Tinted windows. And back up. Show off the pilot seat here. Full power seats. I usually do RVs, so I apologize if I'm missing anything on this Grand Caravan SXT. It's pretty much fully loaded and beautiful. And it has right at 50,093 miles on it. And again, the only reason why the owner is selling it is because the death in the family. Beautiful van. If you want to come and see the van, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs and boats for sale in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.